أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
قل كل يعمل على شاكلته فربكم أعلم بمن هو أهدى سبيلا صدق الله العلي العظيم. Everyone acts according to their shakila. That surely your Lord is the one who knows the best, who is the most guided on this path.
In the pursuit of understanding and cultivating our divine disposition, it is crucial to acknowledge the Quran as the direct words of Allah. However, in today's secular environment, this journey of self-discovery often becomes individualistic, focusing on personal interpretations and beliefs. It is essential to avoid privatizing religion and instead return to the Quran for guidance, accepting its teachings as the absolute truth. The Quran emphasizes that the divine disposition is inside us, waiting to be uncovered and refined. Surah Ar-Rum verse 30 mentions, "Then set your face upright for religion in the right state, the nature made by Allah in which He has made men. There is no altering of Allah's creation. That is the right religion, but most people do not know." Allah explains in this verse that He Himself has created this nature and disposition inside us. This nature was not apparent at first, as Surah Al-Insan verses 1-3 describes the process by which man was created from a humble beginning, ultimately guided by Allah. In these verses, He says, "Surely we have created man from a small life germ uniting itself. We mean to try him, so we have made him hearing, seeing." Here, seeing means insight. So Allah did not just give us sight with the eyes, but insight to understand the reality and truth. Lastly, He says, "Surely we have shown him the way. He may be thankful or unthankful." God has shown us the path to Him. He didn't ask us to discover, create, or choose this path ourselves. It is ultimately up to us to be thankful and follow it. The path is clear, but it is our choice whether to acknowledge and embrace it or to remain lost in a self-centered existence. Allah, out of His kindness and mercy, has provided the Quran, a guide to assist us in case of confusion. The Quran provides examples of individuals with divine dispositions, such as Prophet Yusuf and Prophet Musa. When Zulaykha locked the doors and advanced towards Prophet Yusuf, trying to seduce him, Prophet Yusuf was steadfast in the face of temptation, and his divine disposition allowed him not to engage as he hastened for the doors to leave. Due to this disposition, loyalty, and submission to Allah, he was surrounded by sin and yet walked away unscathed. Furthermore, Prophet Musa was taught by Allah to be gentle and kind, even against the tyranny of Fir'aun. He was Kalimullah, the one who talks to Allah, and didn't let Fir'aun bring down his status. These prophets exemplify how one's inner disposition can guide them through challenging circumstances. Our deen is stronger than any storm that comes our way and will surely guide us through all the challenges coming our way. Understanding two terms, bil-quwwa and bil-fi'l, is essential. Bil-quwwa is the potential or the power that we have. Allah has given each of us the power to become His representatives on earth. However, many things remain at the potential stage and do not progress to the action stage, which is bil-fi'l. When we actualize our potential, we manifest who we are. In conclusion, the question is not where or who is God, but rather how do we navigate through life's distractions to return to Tawheed, the oneness of God? How do we recognize Allah in everything? How do we act on the divine disposition within us while living in a society that often distracts us from our true purpose? Despite the influences of outsiders, we must strive to maintain our godly disposition. Many people told Imam Hussein to leave and ignore Yazid. However, he did not let these people spoil his inner self, his shakila. The Imam's unwavering commitment to his faith, despite these external pressures, serves as a profound example of remaining true to one's divine nature, always pointing towards Allah.
يا حسين 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 يا حسين 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 يا حسين حسين حسين